Now to a story you'll see only on WESH 2. The notorious Malibu rapist, a man who terrorized women and girls in Orlando's Malibu Groves neighborhood during the 80s and 90s, has agreed to a plea deal. WESH 2's Greg Fox was the only reporter in court today as George Gertman faced a judge.
He looked frail, broken, not like the terrifying vision in his victims' minds of the notorious monster who preyed on women and girls in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Malibu rapist George Gertman was supposed to face trial next month, but a year's worth of cancer treatment may have taken the fight out of the serial rapist already convicted 6 times.
The state and defense have come to a resolution.
Gertman will plead guilty next week to 1 count of sexual battery with a deadly weapon and will likely be sentenced to time running concurrently with the 2 life sentences he is serving on prior convictions. It will end a case involving 7 rape survivors. Gertman earned his nickname for attacks that took place mostly in and near Orlando's Malibu Groves and Malibu Shores neighborhoods. For the women who were victimized decades ago by the Malibu rapist, this plea arrangement closes the ugliest chapters in their lives. And for one woman in particular, this is justice.
I was praying for it because I really didn't want to sit through a trial. I didn't know how long that was going to be.
Gail Gardner was mostly responsible for the cold cases being solved. She demanded that her 1988 attack be re-examined with the evidence undergoing new DNA testing. In 2021, 15 cases got a hit on Gertman's DNA, ultimately paving the road to closure for her more than 3 decades after she was attacked.
It's about so many other people would like to know in their minds, including myself, that we've done all we know to do to get what we need to be free of this, I guess you could say this mental and emotional state.
Gardner's attorney is former Orange Osceola State Attorney Aramis Ayala.
I don't think there's ever a victory for a crime victim, especially a victim of this nature, with this the magnitude of what occurred to her and the time span that she waited. I don't think there will ever be enough, but at least we can begin the healing process with this degree of closure.
Gardner will personally deliver her victim impact statement before Gertman is sentenced, staring him in the eyes and showing him the face of a strong survivor. In Orange County, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.
Gardner's story helped inspire the passage of Gail's Law, which now mandates that survivors of sexual assault can track their evidence kits from law enforcement to labs to court. Examination of those kits must also occur within 120 days.